Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to get into Genshin Impact from Japan, but you're getting hit with a server error? Maybe it is a specific error code like 4201 or 4206, or maybe it's just a general connection failure. It is a huge problem that can completely stop your adventure. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to get you back to Teyvat. First things first, always check the Hoyo lab if there's any updates to the game itself. Alright, assuming the servers are good and you have the latest version, completely close out of Genshin Impact. Make sure the game is totally shut down, not just minimized. Then try launching it again. If that doesn't work, a full restart of your console, PC, or phone can clear out any temporary bugs that might be messing with your connection. Moving on, a weak or unstable internet connection is a major cause of server errors. So let's troubleshoot your network. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router and modem by unplugging them for about a minute. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or consider using a wired Ethernet connection for more stability if you're on PC or console. You can also lower your graphics so that it will not overload your PC or mobile that it will cause lags and bugs. Lastly, you can just uninstall and reinstall it to fix those missing files that cause bugs on Japan's server. I really hope one of these tips helped you fix the server error and you're back to exploring Teyvat.